I'm Don, welcome to my channel. My painting books are here, let's check them out. First off, a ton of thanks to HobbyMate, the publisher of the book. Ed Monteo, the owner of HobbyMate, is a good friend of mine for more than 10 years. So really, this book won't be possible without HobbyMate. So thank you both. Also, thank you so much for USAG, for USA Gundam, for being a part of their team, and for supporting the book. You could get your copies for USA and Canada, guys. You could get your copies at USAG. And of course, Vallejo Colors, Vallejo Paints. I've been using Vallejo for some time now. I started using Vallejo when I was adding mud to the cloaks of my Lord of the Rings figures. And then I have like 5 bottles of browns and mud colors, and then a few washes and all that. I've been using Vallejo for more like 20 years now. But I've been part of the team for around 8 years. I've been an official Vallejo painter since last year. So thank you so much to Vallejo, USAG, and of course HobbyMate for the book. The book is focused on Vallejo Colors. So the book has a chapter on color theory. It's a short chapter, but I kind of shared my experience as a professional artist for 20 years now. It's basically how I understand color theory and how I apply them to my projects. I also have a chapter in pre-painting tools with very basic stuff. You'll see it anywhere. And also pre-painting steps. The majority of the book is about Vallejo paints, how you apply them, and what paints can produce what effects. So hopefully after reading the book, you'll understand Vallejo paints a ton more, and then you know the paints to get for specific effects that you need for your project. A chapter of my daughter's work, Nico. Nico also has a YouTube channel, you should check it out. So she's 17, but she's learning a lot. She paints like a 30-year-old. So you should check out her channel. You have a chapter in hand painting, airbrushes, airbrushing, Vallejo pigments, Vallejo mediums, which is a question mark for a lot of people. You have genital painting, genital priming. It's a miniature technique I really love applying on my Gunpla. You have object source lighting. I also like applying on my kits. You have detail painting. Well, basically it's about detail painting metallics, so that people would stop masking all those tiny details. I have here my weathering steps. It's a long step. It's a long guide on what to do, what to follow, but you could flip-flop in between steps to produce what you want. There's a chapter in pre-shading, post-shading, how you thin for post-shading and stuff. There's a chapter in modulation. Of course, there's a chapter in paint chipping effects, one of my fab Vallejo mediums. We have stippling with mediums and weathering effects paints. We have a chapter in streaking and finishing. Some people find it difficult to do streaking with acrylics, but it's fairly simple. Then you have chapter 23, Duo Option Parts. It's a relatively new option parts for detailing your Gunpla. Then you have a couple of HobbyMate exclusive chapters. Some people have their copies already, and I really cannot thank these people enough. Like, comment, and subscribe, and do get a copy of my book. Saludos! Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel.